Please try.
Hi guys, it's Cheryl. Today I'm gonna share with you a very easy recipe, which is steamed egg. It is like my traditional Chinese breakfast. It just like take 2 minutes to finish it, so I gotta share with you. All we need is just eggs. Actually, we don't need this kind of cupboard, so I put them away. Just crack the egg. So let me try one hand cracking. I did it! I did it! I'll do that again. Oh shit! Okay, I failed. I even need to pick out 2 amateur. Okay, now what we need to do is just add water into the, just try 100 and 150 ml. And add some salt, 1 teaspoon, and just whisk it with chopsticks. You see there are many bubbles there. You can try to get them out, but I think it's okay if I just leave them here. So just put it on the steam and we're done. Just put it on the steam, turn on the heat, and wait for like 8 to 10 minutes. This step is very optional because I want to add some ground pork to my egg. It is really a Sichuan style. Just add them into, yeah, maybe I'll add it later because it's still like liquid, but it's fine because the aroma of the ground pork will dip into the egg. You see there are already some chili oil coming out. Okay, now we add some more ground pork so it can be on there. Oh, I'm starving. Just leave there for another 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, now I think it's done. Turn off the heat. Ooh! Now, final step. Just add a little bit soy sauce and a little bit sesame oil. These are the spirit of this dish. So if you added the ground pork, remember to make some garnish. Now just have a look. It is really delicious. Trust me, do this. Super easy. Optional ground pork. Let's go. Tasting test. Remember to eat them together. So good. Please try.